It's super. Well, I was kept cleaning it, and I was like, "What? Like, what happened?" I didn't know what was going on. These were like 67 TikTok, 77. No, I think it was 67 after tax. I'm gonna clean my blow dryer. Huh? Futuristic. They don't look like your Ray-Bans. Let me find out. They're kind of big though, huh? I don't like that. And then I don't like how fat they are too. They're a little fat. But let me see if I can clean this out real quick, see if it'll work. Because it's making noise. It's like a weird noise. Shout out to the sponsor, Red Zone. Red Zone right here. You guys want to go play some racing? It's called sim racing. Sim racing. They're on Clearwater, so go check them out. Rev Zone. Take your kids, all your friends, family. Great place. Great place. They sponsor the kids for the barber camp. Great place to go. Have a birthday party too. All that. All right, let's see if we can see what's it's making noise. You hear that? You guys hear that? It is dirty. It needs to be cleaned out. I'm gonna switch out with a brand new one of these to one of these. See if we can get that noise to go away. So we're gonna open it up. See how dirty it is? Look, see? We need to replace this. All right, throw this one out. Put a brand new one. Clean this out. Throw disinfector. Clean it out with some more. Toss it in there for a little bit. And we're gonna go over here. We're gonna get another brush that I have here for the cleaning. We're gonna dust this off with the blow dryer. Not coming off completely. We gotta get all of this little thing off the blow dryer. See if we can get that noise to go away. Does this open up or no? I think it does. I want to clean the inside. Need to look up a video. I feel like there's more dirt in there. Let's see if we replace this with one of these. We can get it to go away. Get our little lid back. Try this up with a brand new towel. These towels are clean. They just came out of the dryer this morning, so they're fresh and clean. All right, let's replace it with one of these. Let's put this back on. Let's see if it still makes that noise. Okay, that noise went away. See, look, brand new. It's at its highest, so that's when it would make the noise. When it would get super hot, it couldn't handle it no more. So all you do is just replace the little, the little lid. It's kind of like a your kind of like your AC, you know? Putting a new one in there, brand new. See, it doesn't make the noise. If I can put up the speed, yeah, it's at its highest speed, at its hottest. It's not making the noise no more. Brand new. That's how you do it, guys. Easy, easy. So if your blow dryer is making that kind of noise, just replace it, clean it all out, and you got a brand new one. The next clip we're gonna meet my boy Frank Faze. We're gonna see what he's working with. He's got new clippers. I hear he got new clippers. Come on.